Hello, I'm Dr. Rasha Mhanna. I attended the course of pediatric dentistry with Dr. Larry Johnson. Honestly, I feel that this course worth it by all means. I'm so happy that I took this chance to attend it and improve my skills in pediatric dentistry. The program of the day was very organized, and the team was very helpful in assisting us. Dr. Larry was so generous with her knowledge, and she teach us lots of new things, and we took great hands-on, and she was with us step by step to ensure that we are making the correct treatment and correct preparation, and materials and everything was done perfectly. Finally, I encourage you all to invest in your learning with CAP by exploring this new stuff that could really improve your skills and the way you communicate with your patients in your own private practice.